what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start on the car, please help me click that subscribe button and the bell notification for update on my new videos when it comes out. But I'm working on a 2006 Toyota Matrix. It's 1.8 liter. So right now the check engine light code is system 2 lean. So the first thing I check for is the air filter right here. Make sure it's clean. This one is fairly clean, it's okay. And I check the boot for any crack or any rip, tear and wear. There's no crack at all. And I check the I put the smoke through here for system 2 lean, which is a vacuum leak, but there's no vacuum leak when I put the smoke in here. And then the last thing I come to is the mass airflow sensor. And so when I take out the mass airflow sensor, this is the mass airflow sensor right here, the original mass airflow sensor. That's the part number. You can see on top right there, that's a part number. And it sits like this. And all you gotta do is just press on the tab right here on the connector and pull back, and there's 2 screws that's holding on to it. And I ordered the new one, and the new one's also the same part number right here, OEM. This is the new one right here, and this is the old one. Now if you look clearly, the little ball right here on the old one is very dirty, and it's like brown, black, not like the new one. You can see how dark it is, and look how clean it is on the new one. It's almost clear. You can see the ball right here, the little part right here is super clean, and on the old one it's completely like blacked out, kind of dark with all the debris and stuff like that. So I checked the vacuum, there's no vacuum leak. This is the last thing that's causing it to have the system 2 lean, so I'm gonna be replacing this. So I got everything back on. For the connector and the wire, make sure you guys check the wire, make sure there's no crack or ripped or broken. Make sure you check the pin in here, make sure it's not corroded or any like watermark stain. Put it back, and to remove it is very easy, just the clamps and the 2 clamps hook right here. Just pop it out, and let me show you the part number again. This is original mass airflow from Wolfpack. I bought this from Wolfpack Denso, and you can see it's very dark on the ball right there. On this side it's clean, you can see it's very clean right there, but on this side it's very bad. So let me show you the code again. On the engine, you can see change lights right there. On the engine code, come on, taking kind of long. Current code, fuel system 2 lean, there you go. So dirty air filter will throw a code, dirty mass airflow will throw a code, vacuum leak will throw this code. So for this one is an easy fix, just a mass airflow. So now I'm gonna clear it. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna cycle the key, turn it back on, turn the engine on. Alright, that's it. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.